Data management software is vital for businesses that need their data to be accurate, consistent, and reliable. That's why I'll be reviewing Collibra, Profisee, Google Cloud, Tableau Data Management, and Hevo Data, 5 TechRepublic approved data management tools that can support the complexity and scale of your business's data management needs. At number 1, our experts recommend Collibra, known for its reference data management capabilities. Collibra is designed to assist organizations in effectively managing and governing their data assets. The software excels in data cataloging, data quality management, and ensuring data privacy and compliance. Its features include strong automated data governance functionalities, centralized policy management, and stewardship management capabilities. Next up at number 2 is Profisee, which is best for businesses in the manufacturing and healthcare sectors. The platform empowers businesses to consolidate and connect data from diverse sources, enforce quality standards, and synchronize information across systems. Notable features include reference data management, real-time bidirectional data integration, and support for digital transformation. If you like Profisee, head over to TechRepublic.com to read about its pricing options and more. Coming in at number 3 is Google Cloud, which provides organizations with the capacity to store, analyze, and process data within the Google Cloud environment. Distinctive features include a unified interface for simplified data management, capabilities for data transformations, and efficient tools for data integration and cleansing. Taking the number 4 spot is Tableau Data Management, a BI platform that prepares data for insightful analysis and visualizations. It excels in establishing connections with diverse data sources, providing a seamless experience for users dealing with multiple data sets. Tableau's data management features include data governance, data preparation, and data lineage, focusing on ensuring data accuracy. Finally, at number 5 is Hevo Data, a comprehensive data integration and data pipeline platform. It facilitates the seamless loading of data from a diverse range of over 150 sources in your warehouse. The platform then empowers users to transform and integrate this data into a unified view. Hevo Data excels in near real-time data movement capabilities, enabling ingestion of data from various sources such as databases, cloud applications, and event streams. That wraps up the top 5 data management tools that can support the complexity and scale of your business's data management needs. Head over to TechRepublic.com to read more about the data management tools listed in this video and others that didn't make the list. Till next time, thanks for watching.